risk management that when it comes to the construction of the villa in Saigon. And I am from the contractor side, and I have asked you to also provide us some risks that you might happen, and also we will provide some risks that outside will have when we do the construction, so that we can come together and find a solution for the both sides of us before we do the construction. And so firstly, we are the team that had won the bidding, and so I will introduce the project again to you. So firstly, the project is the private villa project. That is in the Saigon, Vietnam, and the payment is that will be monthly milestone payment, and also the construction side will be 7.5 months long, and budget that we have provided, we have offered for you is the 14.7 billion Vietnam dong. And so, firstly, as the owner, can you provide some risk that may happen to us during the construction?
So I think before we proceed with starting the construction, I think it's very important that we openly discuss potential risks that may arise during the project. So from my experience, private villa projects often face delays, especially due to external factors like weather conditions. So for example, like in Saigon, heavy rain and occasional flooding can seriously affect the construction schedule. So I'm concerned about how this risk will be handled.
Okay, so I understand your concern. Weather-related risks are unavoided, but in this region, to minimize the schedule delay, we plan to prepare the detailed construction schedule that consider the seasonal weather pattern. The critical activity will be planned during less rainy periods where possible, and we will allocate the sufficient labor and equipment to recover the lost time of delay occurred.
That sounds reasonable, and what do you think?
Okay, I think that's pretty good, but what happens if delay occurs not only by weather but also by design changes? So as the owner, I might request adjustment during construction, and I'm worried these changes could affect the timeline and cost.
Well, the design changes are quite common in private projects, however, they do introduce a risk in both time and cost. To manage this, any design changes or variations will follow the clear approvals process. Once a variations is proposed, we will assess its impact on the schedules and budgets and submit it to you for approval before carrying out the work today.
Okay, so I think it's a good idea. I agree with it, but I also think it's important that variations are documented properly to avoid dispute later. I don't want misunderstanding about whether a change will approve verbally or in writing. So, okay, exactly. From our side, we will not proceed with any variations work without written approval. This project both parties and ensure the transparency.
Alright. Okay. So another issue I'd like to raise is financial risk, particularly payment delays and disagreements over the volume of completed work. Late payments can disrupt your cash flow, but at the same time, I want to ensure that I only pay for work that has been properly completed. I know that's a fair concern to reduce financial difficulties. We will submit process payment plan based on clearly defined milestones. Each claim will be supported by detailed documentation such as site photo, drawing, and work report, so you can easily verify the complete work.
Okay, so I think that looks certainly good. So on my side, I will ensure that payment milestones are clearly stated in the contract, lead to specific construction activities. So payments will only be made after the description and acceptance of the completed work. However, we will also have this due process once the work is over. So tell me, to avoid unnecessary delays. Speaking of inspection, quality control and verification I have seen many daycare contractor rush just to read pavement milestones, which later lead to defect and report. So, what is your opinion of this? Well, this is a valid concern. Good quality is the effect of the construction reputations and a home. Whether it happens in quality control with procedures to ensure that there was implications before inspection. Okay, I also want to appoint a supervision consultant to monitor construction quality and verify materials and workmanship the contract requirements. Material samples, certificates, and test reports will be required before approval. Okay, will from third parties seeking right to if any defects are identified, we will correct them this ensure that quality is not compromised or approval, process reports, and review. Proper documentation is also very vital for correct administration and good preparation. Okay, lastly, I believe communication plays a key role in managing all the risks. The coordination and the decisions making can slow down constructions and affect both schedules costs. I agree. To improve coordination and leadership and regular site meetings to review progress, discuss the issues, and make some decisions. Clear communication channels with both parties is quickly to regularly and necessary communications will also help good trust between us when user access all resolve with communication. Well, I said that with good corporations and mutual understanding, we can complete this project villa project on time, within budget and with the expected quality.
And let's process this approach and work closely together to ensure the project succeeds.
Okay, agree. That is also
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you for coming to the meeting today. And maybe we will say bye and let's do the construction successfully. Thank you.
Okay, so